Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making abenkwai, which is palmnut soup. So I've got my Ghana taste palm extract, big onion, and I've got some dry fish, catfish, and super cool, which is salted fish, and I've got some mushrooms. I've diced one red onion, that's what I'm gonna season with, and one tomatoes. So I'm using my giaware and my own season blend. So that's all really. So this is the meat I'm using. So I've got some crab and procontre. So I've got goat's meat underneath and my dry turkey. With the turkey, if you can put it in the oven a little bit, it dries it more and that is much tasty. So I've kick started with seasoning my meat.
1 spoon of giaware seasoning to it. You can add more if you want. Any seasoning of your choice will be fine. Because of the pork and some stuff, and the fermented fish, I'm gonna add just a little bit salt, because if you add too much you might end up spoiling your food, because there's salt in the super cool, that particular one, there's salt in it, so you just have to. Okay, my meat is seasoning very nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend the tiger berries. Let my super So guys, now I've got all my blended tomatoes, onions, and everything that I'm using for my soup. Now my meat is nicely seasoned, so I'm just gonna add this to it. It's my tiger berries and everything in there, so I'm just adding just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water to just in my blender. So I'm going to leave this to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes before I add the palmnut or my abe to it. water to it to melt it a little bit before I put it in the actually we need fufu pa kwa this will go with fufu, but I've got to go to work, so I did mucho earlier on, so we are going to have mucho with it. I can make it. So what is it? So now I just give it a little stir to make it. Oh dear. So that's it, really. My soup is nearly done. So I'm using the same thing in the hot water.
At this point, guys, you can allow your soup to cook for 20 to 30 minutes before you serve it. God bless you all. If you're still here, can you please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. Hey guys, can we let this video reach at least 20 likes? I would really appreciate that. And if you're new here, can you please hit the subscribe button and join the family grow? God bless you all. Take good care of yourself because you are important too. Wherever you are, can you please obey the rules and just do what they say? We are in lockdown at the moment, but hopefully we come out of it. God bless you all. Bye.